It is my great pleasure and honor to introduce our Interim Vice Chancellor for Research and also Dean of the Graduate College, Dr. and Professor Dutta.
Thank you. And good morning, everyone. Let me also add my welcome to you from this campus, for all of you who are attending the first international conference on space, time, and CyberGIS. I know it is the third day of the conference, so the welcome remarks are a bit tardy, but they are sincere nonetheless. On behalf of the University of Illinois, I would like to thank our sponsors, the federal agencies, National Science Foundation, the U.S. Geological Survey, several university consortia, ESRI, and the various campus units that have collaborated to make this event possible. As you know, this unique conference brings together researchers, educators, and practitioners in geographic information science, space-time studies, and cyber infrastructure. Geospatial technologies are revolutionizing the way we understand, manage, and sustain our Earth and the environment, and have become an integral part of our lives. It's a lot more than Google Earth and Google Maps. Geospatial technologies assist global policymaking as nations develop strategies for peace, sustainability, and security in our interconnected world in the 21st century. Now, cyber infrastructure, as you know, has been made possible by technological advances such as the internet, the microchip, and databases, which are rapidly transforming our world, to use an IBM quote, into a smarter planet. One that not only has a physical infrastructure of roads, electricity, and water, but also a cyber infrastructure, the computing, networking, and sensor resources that combine to provide us the right information in the right context at the right time. This conference, CyberGIS'12, brings together researchers and practitioners both in geospatial technologies and in cyber infrastructure from around the nation and beyond. So I was reading to prepare myself for these remarks. I wanted to do a little bit of study and see what has been written on the topic. So I got myself the summary of the 20 CyberGIS workshop that was held in Washington, D.C. With the UCGIS Winter Annual Meeting. In the plenary address, CyberGIS, What Still Needs to Be Done, Dr. Michael Goodchild, who was a speaker, who is here probably in the audience, I don't know him yet, he remarked that interoperability between GIS servers remain a significant challenge. That caught my attention. Interoperability is a topic that I'm somewhat familiar with, albeit in a different domain, in mechanical CAD/CAM, which is my area. In a NIST study in 2000, it was estimated that the cost of inadequate interoperability in the automotive industry is about $5 billion. And in the electronics industry is close to $4 billion. The cost stems for the inability to exchange semantics. So I found it interesting, but not surprising, that interoperability is a challenge in your domain as well. Now, I do remember Dr. Goodchild saying, is CyberGIS getting enough attention? And I was thinking, if you could monetize the lack of interoperability, then maybe you will get a lot more attention than what you are getting. On our campus, as you probably know, the cyber aspect of CyberGIS gets a lot of attention. With NCSA and the Blue Waters, which is on schedule, and I know that you'll have a tour this afternoon. CyberGIS is a powerful vision, and realizing this vision will require solutions to several challenging problems. This conference series, I believe, is a platform not only for reporting results, but also for fostering new collaborations that exploit the synergies between advances in geospatial technologies and in cyber infrastructure to solve the challenges ahead. Arden Bement, the former director of National Science Foundation, said that cyber infrastructure may well usher a new technological age that will dwarf in sheer transformational scope and power anything we have yet experienced in the current information age. So with the bringing together of geospatial technologies and cyber infrastructure, I think it is very promising. I hope the research community that is gathered here for this conference will contribute to the realization of the full potential of NSF's CyberGIS project. I wish all of you a very productive day ahead, and I would like to thank the local organizers, led by Professor Wang, for organizing this conference. Thank you very much.